Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we bring you the most unbelievable, shocking and inspiring real life stories that will leave you amazed. Today's story is about a man who defied death not once but twice. Imagine this, you survive one of the deadliest explosions in human history, barely making it out alive. You take a deep breath, thinking it's finally over. But just 3 days later, another explosion happens, this time right in front of your eyes. Sounds like a Hollywood movie, right? But this is 100% real. This is the unbelievable true story of Tsutomu Yamaguchi, the man who survived both atomic bombings of Hiroshima and Nagasaki in World War III Term 2. How did he survive 2 nuclear explosions? What happened to him after? And how did his story remain hidden for decades? Stay with me till the end because this story will shock and inspire you at the same time. Our story begins in the summer of 1945 during the final days of World War II. Japan was already struggling in the war, but something much deadlier was about to happen. At that time, Tsutomu Yamaguchi was a 29-year-old engineer, working for Mitsubishi Heavy Industries. His job required him to travel frequently, and in August 1945, he was in Hiroshima for a 3-month-long business trip. On August 6, 1945, Tsutomu was walking to work in Hiroshima when suddenly he looked up at the sky and saw a strange blinding light. Before he could even react, boom! The first atomic bomb exploded just 3 kilometers away from him. The impact was so powerful that it threw him into the air. The explosion destroyed everything in its path, turning buildings into dust, setting the entire city on fire, and killing tens of thousands of people instantly. Yamaguchi was severely injured. His body was burned, his eardrums were blown out, and he could barely see through the smoke and fire. But despite the chaos and destruction, he somehow survived. He stumbled through the burning city, searching for shelter. Everywhere he looked, there was devastation. People crying, buildings collapsing, the sky filled with black smoke. After hours of pain and struggle, he finally made it to a bomb shelter, where he received first aid. Now at this point, most people would count their blessings and stay where they are, but not Tsutomu Yamaguchi. The next morning, despite his burns and wounds, he decided to leave Hiroshima and return home. And guess where his home was? Nagasaki. Yes, you heard that right. The second city that was about to be bombed. August 7th, 1945. Just a day after the bombing, Yamaguchi somehow found a train that was still running and traveled more than 280 kilometers back to his home in Nagasaki. When he arrived, he was in terrible condition. His face was swollen, his body was wrapped in bandages, and he could barely walk. His family was shocked to see him alive, and he told them everything that had happened in Hiroshima. But here's where things get even crazier. Despite his injuries and trauma, Yamaguchi went to work on August 9th. Yes, just 3 days after the first bomb. He reported to Mitsubishi's office in Nagasaki, where he met his boss and told him about the Hiroshima bombing. But his boss didn't believe him. He thought Yamaguchi was exaggerating or confused. And then, boom! At exactly 11:02 a.m., just as Yamaguchi was trying to explain what had happened, the second atomic bomb was dropped. This time in Nagasaki, just 3 kilometers away from him again. For the second time in 3 days, Yamaguchi saw a blinding white flash, heard a deafening explosion and was thrown to the ground. The shockwave shattered windows, the heat burned buildings, and tens of thousands of people died instantly. And yet he survived. Again. Even though he was badly injured, he somehow crawled through the destruction and made his way back home. His wife and child, who were also in Nagasaki, miraculously survived as well. At this point, Tsutomu Yamaguchi was one of the only known people in history to have survived both atomic bombings. Now you might be wondering what happened to him after that. You would think that after facing death twice, he would spend the rest of his life hiding from danger. But no, Tsutomu Yamaguchi lived on, raising his family and continuing to work. For years, he never talked about what happened. He didn't want to be known as the man who survived 2 atomic bombs. But as he got older, he realized that his story needed to be told. Not for fame, but to warn the world about the dangers of nuclear war. In 2009, at the age of 93, Tsutomu Yamaguchi was officially recognized by the Japanese government as the only person to have survived both atomic bombings. And in 2010, he passed away peacefully at the age of 94, leaving behind a legacy of survival, resilience, and peace. His story remains one of the most unbelievable survival stories in human history. A man who faced two of the most destructive weapons ever created and lived to tell the tale. So what do you think? Was Tsutomu Yamaguchi lucky or incredibly unlucky? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this story as unbelievable as I did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing real-life stories. See you in the next video.